Today we will learn the good habits in public places. Okay, good habits in public places. What do you mean by public places here, children? It is a place where you will access many people. Understand, where you meet many people. See, for example, the cinema halls, okay, restaurants, temples, park. Here you will meet many people. Yes, you will see many people in these places. Those places we call it as public places. Now we will see how you have to behave there in those places. Okay. Now see here, waiting for the turn in queue, crossing the road with adults, washing the hands, throwing the garbage, not spilling the water and flushing the toilet. We will see in detail by seeing the pictures, then you will understand. Okay. Now see your book, that is World Around Me, and page number 2424, children. Okay. See here, waiting for our turn in a queue. What does it mean, children? When you go outside, okay, like a ticket counter, cinema halls, there you will see the ticket counting, ticket booking room, yes, isn't it? There you have to follow queue. You should not push each other. Okay, this is a good habit. You should not pull, you should not push anyone. You should follow queue over there. Here, crossing the road with the adult. When you go outside, you should not cross alone. You should follow some traffic rules here. Understood? If you cross the road alone, what will happen? Some car or any kind of vehicle will come and hit you. So, you should not cross, you should not go outside on the roads alone. Okay, you should be followed by the adult. See here, washing our hands after using the toilet. When you go to the washroom, after using it, you have to wash your hands. Okay, especially in public places. When you use the toilets in outside, you have to wash your hands using the soap or detergent outside in public places. Now, throwing the garbage in the dustbin. What does it mean? You will go to park, isn't it? After there, after playing, what you will eat something there. Yes, after eating, you should not throw here and there. There will be dustbin over there. Okay, see there, go and throw all the dust in that bin. Understood? Now, not spilling the water around in the toilet. What does it mean? After using the toilet, you should not spill the water down. What will happen? It will be very slippery. The area will become very slippery, isn't it? Very wet. You will slip and you will get injured. Next, flushing the toilet after we use it. After you go to toilet, you have to flush with the water. Okay. This is a very good habit, children. It's very good if you flush the water before and after also, especially in public places. Now, see here, these are the signs or symbols which were given here. We will see now. What does this mean? It is a symbol. What does it indicate, children? Here you should not. This kind of symbols you will see in a hospitals area or in a school area. What does it mean? No sounding. Understood? You should not do any sound here, because here schools and the hospitals area, those places should be very calm. So, you should not do any sound here. Sound pollution should be avoided here. This kind of symbol you will see. What does this mean, children? No cell phones or mobiles. You will see this kind of symbol where? In the temples, isn't it? In the temples, or you will, when you go to cinema halls also, you will see this kind of symbols. That means no use of cell phones or mobile phones. What does it mean? This is the no food. Food is not allowed inside. Yes. This kind of symbol where you will see, children, in some restaurants also we will see this kind of symbols, and in temples. What does this mean? Stop. Especially we will see this kind of symbol in the traffic area. Yes, signals, there we will see this kind of symbol, stop. Understood, children? Please once go revise in your book, children. Just revise all these points in your book also. Hope you understood the video. Thank you.